lot of energy. I'm always super excited. I love color. Color brings things to life. People ask me all the time, how did learning in color start? How did you start doing this? I am a veteran teacher. I've been teaching for over 25 years. I moved to Atlanta back in 2012. And guess where I started working when I first came to Atlanta? So, this is where I actually started working. This is where it began. It is very, very special because this is where it started at Scott. So thank you all.